My video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of the 87nzaa.com browser redirection issues. Now, these issues may happen as a result of some unwanted extension to be currently enabled in the Google Chrome browser. It is extremely dangerous to tolerate this issue because your browser settings are changed and you may be brought to a lot of shady websites as a result of such redirections. So basically, the redirections through the site 87nzaa.com, as I said, happen because of some unwanted extension. If you start submitting some search queries, you notice this strange 87nzaa.com redirections, and then eventually the results would be delivered by some other unwanted search engine. So to fix these issues, you need to carefully check your Google Chrome browser. In particular, you need to go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions, and you need to disable and remove any third-party extensions that might be in place. This is the manual solution to actually fix your browser. However, I would also recommend you to research your system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software using this green button, install the program, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.